this is a video for Diffusion.2, Active Actions. How can we describe active transport? Follow along as I read. All cells are protected from their external environments through a cell membrane. The cell membrane also must allow exchange of molecules between the cell and the external environment. However, the membrane must allow some molecules to pass through, but prevent the movement of others. Because only certain molecules are permitted to pass through cell membranes, cell membranes are said to be semi-permeable. Imagine a pool with a layer of tennis balls floating on top. On the surface of the water, it appears flat. However, when you look at it from the side, you see distinct layers. The cell membrane contains similar layers. In the diagram below, the outer layer is indicated with tiny circles in a row, while the inner layer is indicated with short tails between the rows of circles. These two layers can influence the type of molecules that are allowed to freely enter the cell. Typically, small molecules like glucose can enter freely, while larger molecules like starch need to be digested into smaller monomers before they can enter. So we have this sentence right here, and we have a vocabulary word. What I would like you to do is to define this in your own words. Also, this word semi-permeable. Try to find a good definition of this based on the text, and define it in your own words. And the last sentence of this paragraph, what I would like you to do is explain this part in the margins. If you are able to do this, it shows that you have an understanding of this paragraph. Now, sometimes particles must move from areas of low concentration to areas of higher concentration. Because the particles move against the natural concentration gradient, it requires energy and is called active transport. One example of active transport occurs on the surface of cells, as shown in the diagram above, right here. Sodium ions, that's this, Na, must be removed from the cells using specialized proteins on the cell membrane. However, because this process does not occur naturally, energy is required to complete the process. This energy is found in a complex, energy-rich molecule called ATP. When ATP is converted to ADP, it provides enough energy to move the sodium ion through the protein and out of the cell. Now let's pay attention to this first part of the paragraph. There is some descriptions here for our vocabulary term, which is active transport. I would like you to define this in your own words. Also, we have another vocabulary word, ATP. Please try to define this in your own terms.